In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident moving money quickly, safely, and without the hassle of cash or a trip to the bank. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection so everything runs smoothly. From the home screen, look for the Send Money feature. This is your hub for transferring funds within the app. You have a few convenient ways to send. If you prefer using a mobile number, choose the option that lets you send to a GCash number. Carefully type the recipient's GCash registered mobile number or select it from your contacts if it's already saved. Take a second to double-check the number to avoid sending to the wrong account. If the person you're paying has a linked bank account, GCash, you can send money to that as well. Choose the option for a bank-linked transfer, then select the recipient's saved account details if they're available. This is helpful when someone prefers receiving funds straight to their bank rather than to their wallet. Another fast method is scanning a QR code. Tap the scan option in Send Money, point your camera at the recipient's GCash QR, and let the app read it automatically. This reduces errors and is perfect for in-person payments or merchants who display a QR code at checkout. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You'll also see a field for an optional note. This can be handy for labeling your transfer, like rent, groceries, or reimbursement, so both you and the recipient know what the payment is for later on. Before you confirm, review everything on the summary screen. Check the recipient's details, the amount, and your note. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm the transaction. At this point, the app processes your transfer instantly. Right after you send, you'll see a confirmation inside the app, and you may receive a notification or message confirming the successful transfer. The recipient will receive their own confirmation as well, letting them know the funds have arrived. If you like to keep records, you can refer back to the transaction details in your app's activity history anytime. That's all there is to it. Open GCash, use Send Money, choose to send via a mobile number, a linked bank account, or a QR code, enter your amount with an optional note, and confirm. It's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient, whether you're paying a friend, settling a bill, or making a quick purchase.